And the first topical is in the name of Deputy Frankie Feehan, to discuss the current waiting times for passports and the mechanism to facilitate persons that urgently need to expedite the processing of their passport. And if we could expedite the attendance in the Dáil, that would be appreciated too. You know who's dealing with 3? Because Deputy Collins is here, we could move ahead. I'm going to have no choice but to abandon topicals if no, I think the but I think you're looking for your minister, yeah?
Minister McGrath.